as you can see, I am not touching the keyboard, right? I've got one hand on the mic, one hand in the air, and this AI software is typing a message out and sending it for me without me having to lift a finger. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. This video is going to be quite crazy because I'm going to be showing you how to do Instagram outreach to get more clients in 2024, get more appointments booked, get more follow-ups sent using AI in a fully automated way. So if you're short on time, or maybe you're just lazy but you need appointments and clients, then you need to watch this video, because this system works for cold outreach, works for follow-ups, works for warm outreach. It saves you and your team time, and it really maximizes your efficiency. Honestly, I had a VA that used to do follow-ups for my business, and I don't work with them anymore simply because this AI has taken over for me. And the best thing with this system and this software is that it makes you look human. So as you saw, it was typing the message out, right? What most softwares do, which is what gets you blocked by Instagram, is they copy and paste. But this software types it out so that Instagram doesn't think that you're a bot and block your account. And because of this, we've booked multiple calls for ourselves and our clients using this system. So make sure you stay till the end and find out how we do it. Now, essentially, the way that I use this for my business and for my clients is by sending warm outbound messages through this AI. So the extension is called Auto IGDM, and you can just search it on the Google Chrome store. If you just search Auto IGDM, it will come up with their website. If we just scroll down here, it will come up with their website. You go here, click start for free, and it should take you to where you can download the Chrome extension. Right now, you do get a 7 trial, and I'm not affiliated with this company. I'm just showing you because it's a really cool software and it really helps my business, helps me save time, etc. So that's how you can download it, and then you add the Chrome extension, etc., and you get started. Now, the way this works is essentially, if I click on the extension here, there's 4 different things that I can do with this. Okay, so you've got accounts, hashtag, posts, and list. So accounts is simply, I just put in an account. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I was going to put in Alex Hormozy, right? It's going to send a message to everybody that follows Alex Hormozy, all right? And you can do 2 things with this. Number 1, you can contact only people that you've never contacted before. So if you're doing some big mass cold outreach, which I wouldn't really recommend, but if you are doing that, right, let's say for example you're working with lawyers and you find this really big influencer who's also a lawyer and a bunch of lawyers would be following him, you can put in his account and click only new, and you'd be sending cold outreach to everybody that follows his account that you haven't contacted already. Now the second thing is, if you look at this, right, it says don't follow, only send messages. So when it sends a message, it also follows people for you, so that you can sort of like have 2 notifications on their account, increases the chances a little bit of them seeing your outreach message. Okay, now I would just put in, for example, Alex Hormozy, click start, and it would start sending messages to Alex Hormozy's followers. The second way you can use this is looking through hashtags. So if you're working with fitness influencers, you can search hashtag fitness influencer, and then people who have created content with the hashtag fitness influencer would be messaged, and same rules apply with this. This third one is post URL. I think this is just people that have engaged with a comment or engaged with a post, sorry. I haven't really used this one, so I'm not 100% sure. But the last one is list, and that's where you just paste in, let's say for example you've got a bunch of leads, you just paste that in and you can just send out messages like how you saw. Now the way that I use this is in 2 ways. Number 1, for our clients, we do a lot of warm outbound, which is essentially we run an ad to their profile to get them more followers and get those followers to engage with their content, to increase the know, like, trust factor and start nurturing that new attention that we get from the ad. So the way that I get my team to do this for our clients is essentially they put in the client's handle here, the client's account, and they click only new, so that the newest followers, the newest people that are engaging with our clients' content are receiving a warm outbound message. Now when I say warm outbound, it's just an outbound message with somebody that already knows you, likes you and trusts you to some extent. So that could be followers, that could be people that have engaged with your content, etc. So that's the way that I do it for my clients. You can also use this for follow-ups, for, like, for example, if you're doing cold outreach and you're personalizing your outreach, which if you are doing cold outreach, let's be real, you should be personalizing it. Once you've sent out your personalized outreach, you can just get that batch of leads, and then the next day when you're ready to send your follow-ups, send out the follow-ups. And you can actually personalize it as well. So if I go into settings over here, firstly, you want to change these settings, because this is just the amount of time between messages. Now, if you make this too short, Instagram might recognize that you're a bot, which obviously we don't want. So I've put it to 60 to 200. That's what I would recommend. And there's also a tutorial that teaches you about all of this. But the thing that I really want to show you is here you can customize your messages and create new text template groups. So for example, I've got follow-ups here, and then I've got follow-up #2 here with 2 different texts, and it will personalize the user's first name. So I've put this here, hey user, personalized first name, and then just wanted to make sure this message doesn't get buried. And I can add a body, and I can add an outro, etc., and then it sends it out. So honestly, if you are doing outreach, whether that's warm outreach, you're just following up with leads, and you're doing it on a consistent basis, I would really recommend for you to go and get Auto IGTM, and I'm going to leave a link for them in the description. Once again, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. It's just I thought this software was really cool. It saved me a lot of time, and I think it can save you a lot of time as well. So go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.